Tangerine pepper. They're ready to come off. Beautiful indeed. I got 2 more, 3 more, 4 more, 5 more, 6 more. Next month's time. Bell pepper. Looking good. One fell off and we picked it. This is just about ready to come off. Gonna enjoy this tomato. These are cherry tomatoes. This is the second round of them. Kind of dried up, waterlogged. And beef steaks, oh, they're just about turning. Not yet ready. Watermelon, just not getting big. They're taking its real long time to grow. And I got one right there. The dewdrop, it is huge. The stem even flowered. Mandarin orange, cherry, more dewdrop. The lemon, they got spikes and growth after growth. It's really picking up. And back here, the rose and the red rose. I do thank you for the gardening coming by. Gonna go now take care of tangerine peppers.